Mexican bush sage. This perennial prefers full sun to partial shade, with 3 to 6 hours direct sun for optimum growth. Typical height of this fast grower is 3 to 4 feet. They exhibit a gray-green foliage with fluffy, brilliant purple blooms. They thrive in USDA hardiness zones 9 through 11. This is an excellent choice for container gardens, as a border plant in rock and cutting gardens. Variegated shale ginger. This is a showy tropical with striped green on yellow foliage. They grow 8 to 10 feet tall. Its blooms appear as bulbous clusters atop thick flower stalks. They prefer full to partial sun and rich organic soil. They thrive in USDA hardiness zones 8 through 11 and need protection from cold northern exposure in zones with freezing temperatures. Blueeyed grass. This native wildflower is a densely tufted green-leafed perennial and member of the iris family, as evidenced by its small pale blue flowers atop a bare stalk. They grow to 18 inches in height and prefer full sun to partial shade in moist soil. They have medicinal use as tea in some cultures for diarrhea, worms, and unsettled stomach. They grow best in USDA hardiness zones 4 through 9. Giant dwarf Patras. This variety is smaller than the Egyptian Patras, yet larger and more compact than the dwarf variety. As common name of this variety includes giant and dwarf, it is also referred to as the oxymoron Patras, sharing characteristics of both the true giant and dwarf varieties. The typical placement by enthusiasts is in the shallow areas of a pond in 1 to 4 inches of water. They prefer full sun to partial shade. They do best in USDA hardiness zones 8 through 11. Porterweed. The blue blooming variety is the only species native to Florida and the most cold hardy of the mostly tropical native genus. The blooms appear a dark bluish purple when exposed to greater amounts of sunlight. They grow to 6 feet tall. They prefer full sun to partial shade. The flowers bloom partially upwhirling stems. These are excellent butterfly and hummingbird attractors. They grow best in hardiness zones 9B through 11.